everybody. Today we are going to start looking at 4 special journals. Um, you already know quite a bit about the general journal. And the general journal is a place where all transactions are recorded. And that includes all debits, all credits, and all source documents. So at a minimum, we have 3 lines that are used in the general journal. Now, some businesses, as you can kind of realize, this would be really, really time consuming. Think of all the transactions that take place. This would be very, very time consuming. So businesses use something called special journals in order to kind of save some time. So there's 4 special journals: the sales journal, the cash receipts journal, the purchases journal, and the cash payments or disbursements journal. Each of these 4 journals kind of help to simplify the journaling process and make it go a little bit quicker. Now, each of these 4 journals kind of relate to different types of transactions. And the reason that they're separated out is because oftentimes there is a different department or a different person that's in charge of each of these 4 types of special journals. So the first special journal is the sales journal. All of the transactions that relate to sales on account or sales using credit are recorded in the sales journal. So this sales journal, as opposed to the 3 lines minimum that are used in the general journal, the sales journal just has 1 line, and it shares with, it includes the information for who actually made the purchase, what it was for, and the amount. So it kind of streamlines the process of recording that transaction in a journal. So the sales journal, again, is for any type of sale that is done on account or using credit. The second type of journal is the cash receipts journal. Remember, when we use the word receipt, we're not actually talking about a paper receipt like from a store. We're talking about receiving cash. So whenever cash comes into a business, that is when we use the cash receipts journal. The third journal is our purchases journal. This journal is used to record any transactions where the business is purchasing something on account. So as a business, if we decide that we're going to buy a vehicle, that would be recorded in our purchases journal. And then finally, the 4th special journal that we're going to take a look at is the cash payments or the disbursements journal. So anytime we are making a cash payment, such as writing a check or actually paying with cash, our transactions will be recorded in our cash payment or disbursements journal. So these 4 journals kind of help businesses to simplify the journaling process. And we're going to take a look at each of these 4 journals and kind of how they work, starting with the sales journal. So let's take a look at that sales journal now.